Hello? Hello? Alright! Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Crypto Market Daily. This is your boy, Bobby B, in the house. 4:25 p.m. Pardon me, ladies and gentlemen, for not making a morning video. I was too sad, crying under the blankets all morning. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the S&P, every single thing in the red, except for Alchemy Pay, which is kind of weird. All right, but everything else in the red, and our VIX, our volatility index, towards the S&P in green. And we know that inverse correlation. Sit back and relax, ladies and gentlemen. If you got popcorn, grab the popcorn. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking right now. This is the US dollar index. That DXY getting a fat rejection right around, my voice didn't even crack right now. That is awesome. Right around 105.55, ladies and gentlemen. That is a good sign. 105.55. Wow, perfect. 105.55 to be exact. So, we're pulling up our Fibonacci next. And we'll actually draw a line of support here for you guys. We love you guys. Welcome to the channel. This is your boy, Bobby B. Next line of support, right around that 0.5. Right now, tagging and about to make either a move up or what I believe to be finally our move down. Next one up, this is our total crypto market cap, 834. Ladies and gentlemen, we said we could possibly be touching that 841. Well, guess what? We tagged it and now we are below it. It was being utilized as support. I thought we would have a parabolic move up from there. And it looks like, yeah, we're actually flipping it now into resistance. So, we got a couple price points to watch. We also going to show you guys, we're stopping at 810 next. And then 774. That's about I think that was about a 14% drop. And then all the way down, I think that was about a 20 or 30% drop. So that's just throwing it out there, guys. It's possible. You know, anything is possible in crypto. Stay level-minded. RSI at 27. That is rock bottom. Next up, Mr. BTC, Mr. Market Mover, moving the market down. Right now, under 19,000. If you would have told me this maybe 6 months ago, I would have said, ha! And today I'm saying, whoa! But now is a great time. Actually, I just started DCAing into BTC, which is really nice. This is what I'm doing. Next stop, 7%, right around that 17.6, and then 20% drop right around that 15K, and then 28% right around that 13.7. So, for all the people that were saying we're going to zero as of right now, you're looking really good, okay? But we're not going to zero. We're just dropping low. And Mr. Market Maker, not Mr. Market Mover, which is BTC, Mr. Market Maker is shaking everybody out. And you know the institutional money, they want to get their piece of the pie. So they're bringing down BTC. They know it's not stoppable. So if you can't stop it, if you can't stop them, you join them, right? And so as of right now, BTC is being joined institutionally. Right now, RSI at 23, MACD curling up. So what's happening is we're seeing the people who have money. They're saying, hey, they're getting on the phone and saying, hey, I need to get in now. You know, you remember what you told me about in 2017? Well, here we are seeing these same prices. So next price point to watch. That's just my take of what I believe was going on with the market manipulation. 17,601, we just lost it. That's the resistance that I was talking about. And 14,979. Let's just say 15,000. Right around there, 1618 Fibonacci, which is really low. That's crazy. So, Solana Army, where are you at? We said our next stop down was around 32 and then $30. Well, guess what? We're at 32. Getting a fat rejection right around that 33. I think we're going to go back down to 25. I'm not even kidding. And if we do, I'm loading up. Next stop, $30 and then $25.85. If we hit that, I'm loading up. This is what I'm doing. I love Solana from a long time ago. I waited over a year to get in at these prices, and if it goes even lower, well, then you know what I'm doing. So, Solana, we love you guys. Solana army in the house. So as of right now, it does, however, Solana is, I think, in the top 10 most bought cryptocurrency as far as within the last 24 hours. So that's always a good sign. That shows the community strength, and it also shows how much people and others, as well as investors, believe in it. You know, they're buying into it right now. So top 10, that RSI 31, ladies and gentlemen, and all these are on the 4 hourly, ladies and gentlemen. So next up, my baby boy Dogelon on Mars 31.18. We love you. We can't even give you guys a price. Honestly, it's just following BTC. It's following so many: BTC, SHIB, Doge. And also holding strong. So as of right now, I do believe we are in a good place with ELON. I've been doing a little bit more of my DD as far as making sure that I have, enough of this gamble play, at stake, and I do. So we're ready to go. We're ready to go parabolic, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to give you guys too much information on what I'm going to do, because I just want to tell you, I want the charts to speak themselves, okay? So Dogelon, Elon Mars, that's my baby boy. We love you. So next up, so Dogelon's going to stay where we're at. We're just following SHIB and BTC. Right now, SHIBA, I love my other baby boy right now. That price point to watch, 956 to the bottom. Look at these wicks to the bottom. That shows, boom, pow! Those bulls stepping in and pushing that price and keeping it up right now. Right around that 10 price range. If we can blast off above all this resistance, I do believe that there is a chance that we have a little bit of a run back up to that overhead resistance at 1091, and then possibly moving back down. For the most part, if not, we're just going to stay sideways. If we do not stay sideways, then we will break down just to hit that 956. Again, hitting that support line at 984. At the time of this recording, 4:33 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is your boy, Crypto Market Daily, in the house. So, volume looks pretty good. I was looking at all the dogs, and the volume is pretty thick, when it comes to SHIB and Doge. Price point to watch, 1014 at that 0.5 Fibonacci, and then we got the 618 right around that 969. So pretty much right around where we have our support and resistance lines. Keeping our eye always on the volume. We know the volume always dictates the price. And like we said, ladies and gentlemen, we are watching Mr. Market Maker and Mr. Market Mover, BTC, and pretty much the entire crypto market getting rinsed out. So next up, last but not least, my wow factor, Dogecoin. We love the Doge. We love the Doge army. We love Dogelon Mars. We love SHIBA. We love SHIB. That's what we do. We love Shiba Inu. And we love you. So, as of right now, I think Doge will be leading the pack when it comes to a next move. I thought we were having a cup and handle, having a breakout back above that 748. But we got a fat rejection, and we're back down where we called our support line, right around that 064. Do think worst case scenario, we go all the way back down, tagging that 049. So if we do that, I will be loading up rather nicely. So other than that, I think this is a waiting game. I do not believe anybody should just FOMO in. I got paid today, so I have extra side. I'm on the sideline. I'm ready to have a little accumulation phase, but the markets are just really uncertain. And if we're gonna go down another 50% from here, well, that is a really juicy buy. So as of right now, throwing up a little trend, we're hitting that support right now. Will we get a little bit of momentum, bringing the rest of these dogs back up? You heard it here. This is your favorite dog channel, Dogelon and Mars. We are Moon and Mars bound. So that DXY getting a fat rejection is what we want to see. All this blood in the street, we're going to have to get a little bit of IV. If not, we're going to lose more people. And as of right now, this VIX trying to pump that jam party, people pumping, trying to go to that 36.69. I don't think that's going to happen, but inverse correlation with the S&P, when that is pumping and going up, then we are dumping and going down, bringing the entire crypto market with it. We mostly follow the NASDAQ, and so that's also in the red. We are hurting, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is in the red. Do not FOMO into this as of right now. Inverse correlation, when that goes up, everything else is pretty much going down. You heard it here. We love you guys. Be strong. I want to congratulate anybody. If you are still in this market, if you are still rocking with us every single day, if you are still diamond handing, if you are still dollar cost averaging, if you are still holding on strong, well then congratulations. You are setting yourself up for one of the biggest returns in American history. And I'll probably say one of the biggest changes of or exchanges of power when it comes to money. Happens every 100 years. We love you guys. God bless you. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And as always, guys, peace out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And as always, peace out.